If you want to guide your audience to subscribe to your YouTube channel, here are some good tips that can help you. Content. The most important tip is the quality of your video content. You will provide valuable content to your audience, which will entertain and be useful to them. You create videos on topics related to your niche and present them from a unique perspective. CTA. At the end of your video, encourage your viewers to subscribe to your channel. At the start and even in the middle of your video, you can encourage your audience to subscribe. Social media. Share your channel links on your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You also notify your audience for updates on new videos from your channel. Collaboration. Collaborate with other popular YouTube creators in your niche. You can make guest appearances on their channels and tell their audience in the nude of your channel. Thumbnail. The thumbnail of your video should attract your viewers. Therefore, you should create a thumbnail that represents the content of your video and captures the interest of the viewer. Consistency. Upload videos to your channel regularly. Your audience will love your consistency and regularity. With these tips, you can guide your audience to subscribe to your channel.